Uprofit Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how affiliate marketing platforms have evolved in 2025. Uprofit promises to simplify tracking, commissions, and growth for creators, but is it really worth it? The surprising truth is transparency. Most people get this wrong by assuming affiliate platforms only handle payments. Uprofit offers detailed analytics, real-time reporting, and multi-tier commission management, making it easier to understand exactly how your campaigns perform. One major advantage is integration. You won't believe what happens next when you see connections with major e-commerce platforms, email marketing tools, and social media. This allows automatic tracking of clicks, conversions, and sales without manual updates. Uprofit also provides a user-friendly dashboard, campaign templates, and built-in communication tools for affiliates. Payment processing is fast and supports multiple currencies, which is ideal for global operations. However, there are cons. Some advanced features are limited to premium subscriptions, and small businesses might find the learning curve a bit steep initially. Customer support is responsive, but can experience delays during peak times. In conclusion, Uprofit in 2025 is an excellent tool for businesses and creators looking to manage affiliate programs with clarity and efficiency. While premium fees and a slight learning curve exist, the combination of real-time tracking, integrations, and streamlined commission management makes it a strong contender in the affiliate marketing space.